In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix Samsung Smart TV speakers not working. So the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out whether it is the speaker that has gone or if there is a problem with the television. Now, if we click on source on our remote, go over to settings. So we'll go down to settings, open up this menu here. We then want to scroll down until we see the option for support. You then want to go across, click on self-diagnosis, and then now you will see an option for start sound test. You want to go to start sound test, and then once you start the test, it will then play a little jingle, and what this will essentially do is it will allow you to diagnose whether or not it's your speakers directly on your television or if it is something on the internal side that might need changing. So obviously there is sound on mine, that means there is something obviously that needs changing on the settings. But if there is no sound when you are on this and you've turned your volume up, for example, that will mean that a speaker has gone on your Samsung TV and it will need replacing or repaired. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.